Yo, what is up guys? I'm going to be showing you guys how to get PS Touch for absolutely free on your iOS or Android device. So usually if you want to purchase PS Touch from the App Store, it does cost I think like $6.99, and then if you want to get add-ons it does cost even more. But guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get PS Touch on iOS and Android devices for absolutely free. So let's go ahead and start this tutorial. This is working as of 2021, and we need to change a few settings on our device before we start the download. So you want to go ahead and go to your home screen, go ahead and go to settings. So once you're in settings, we're going to go ahead and look for battery. So you guys can see a battery one right here. Go ahead and tap on that. Now make sure if you guys have low power mode enabled, go ahead and turn it off. So if your phone looks like that, just be sure to disable that. Once you do that, we're going to go ahead and click back. Go back to general. So we want to go ahead and change a setting in general. We want to go ahead and go to background app refresh, and then you guys can see background app refresh right here. Make sure this is set to Wi-Fi and cellular data. Okay, so once you do that, you guys are ready for the download. So let's go ahead and close out. You want to go ahead and go to your internet browser. So if you guys are using like Safari, Google Chrome, whatever it is, go ahead and open it up. And you want to go to this website right here. It's called injectapp.org. So you're not going to be downloading this app through the App Store because obviously you'd have to pay for it if you did install it through the App Store. So I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to install PS Touch for absolutely free using this website. So we're going to go ahead and refresh it just to make sure it's up to date and everything. Okay, so that's the website, injectapp.org. Go ahead and click the search bar. Go ahead and type in PS space touch and then click done. You're going to go ahead and see right here it says Photoshop Team PS Touch free download. So let's go ahead and tap on that. Okay guys, so if your device is compatible, it's going to go ahead and say what device you're on, what version you're on, and all you need to do is click start injection. So once you click that, it all depends on your internet speed. So it's going to start downloading the pstouch.gz. So .gz is just what they call mobile applications. And yeah, this only takes a couple of seconds to extract it onto your mobile device. And guys, if you don't enjoy using it, you could always uninstall it. So it's not like on your device like permanently or whatever. You could just uninstall it like you would any other app. Okay, so once you're in the app injection page, what you're going to have to do is download 2 apps, run them for 30 seconds. Doing this will finalize the installation. So you might be kind of confused, like why do I need to download these apps? Well, basically it is missing essential files that it does need to complete the PS Touch download. So you're going to basically have to tap one of the apps, click tap to install. It's going to take you to the App Store. So let's go ahead and let it take us to the App Store. Okay, so once you're on this page, you're going to have to click download. I've already downloaded it, so you're just going to have to click open. Once you're in the app, just go ahead and tap on the screen, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So just leave it open for at least 30 seconds, and you guys are going to notice like a blinking light. So you guys see that blinking light right there? If you see that blinking light, that means it's installing all the files onto your mobile device. And yep, that's pretty much it. So just leave it open for 30 seconds, go ahead and double tap, go back to the app injection page, do this step one more time. So we're going to go ahead and download this one right here called Solitaire 300, tap to install. Go ahead and click open, and yeah, you guys are just gonna have to download it, but you guys can see I've already downloaded it, so I just clicked open. And you just want to leave the app open for at least 30 seconds. That's pretty much it, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and tap on the screen. Let's go ahead and see, do we see the blinking light? There it is right there, so you guys can see it. That means it is installing all the files. So just leave it open for at least 30 seconds. Go ahead and double tap, go back to the app injection page one last time. Scroll to the bottom, and it's going to say checking completion. So that means it's going to be checking your device, making sure everything was properly installed. All you need to do is wait on here for a couple seconds. Go ahead and close out now. You should see PS Touch right here, but yeah, I did end up moving my app. Let me see where I put it. There it is right there. So you guys are going to see the PS Touch, and that is the full official version, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and until next time, see you guys.